You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2012 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power sunroof, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.